is a path in life that most people fear to walk. It's the road less traveled, the one filled with obstacles, pain, uncertainty, and struggles. It's the path that doesn't promise comfort, success, or rewards. It's the road where you'll face rejection, loss, and failure. The road where you feel the weight of the world pressing down on your shoulders, telling you to turn back. But here's the truth. This is the path that leads to greatness. You can stay on the easy path, the one that promises safety and comfort. But the truth is that road leads nowhere. It's the road less traveled, the one filled with hardship, struggle, and pain that will lead you to your true power. You've been through the fire. You've been through the darkest of times. You've fallen, you've failed, and you've felt lost. But let me tell you something. The ashes you're in right now are the soil where your greatest strength will grow. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your rise. I know what it's like to feel like you're at the edge. I know what it's like to face failure, to watch your dreams crumble, and to feel completely broken. There was a time in my life when I felt like I had lost everything. I gave my all, poured my heart into something, and in the end it felt like it was all for nothing. I remember those days when I couldn't get out of bed. The weight of the world felt too heavy. The pain was unbearable. I questioned myself, my choices, and my future. I asked myself, is this it? Is this what my life amounts to? But here's the thing, the darkness, the pain, the failure, they were never meant to break me. They were meant to shape me. They were meant to forge me into something stronger, someone who could rise from the ashes of what I thought was the end. If you're feeling broken right now, if you're questioning everything, I want you to hear this. You are not defined by your struggles. You are defined by how you rise from them. And the road you're walking now, the struggles you're facing, will be the foundation of your strength. I know you're going through it. I know the weight of failure feels like it's too much. Maybe you're facing rejection, loss, or betrayal. Maybe everything you've worked for is slipping through your fingers, and you can't see a way forward. It feels like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle, doesn't it? The pain is real. The struggles are real. You may feel like everything is falling apart and you can't see a way out. But here's what I want you to understand. Pain is not your enemy. It's your fuel. Every setback, every failure, every hardship you face, they're not signs that you should quit. They are signs that you are moving forward. You are being shaped, forged, prepared for something greater than you can see right now. It's easy to let the darkness consume you. It's easy to give up when the road is hard, when everything seems against you. But the greatest rewards are never found on the easy path. They are found on the road less traveled, the road that demands everything of you. The road where you face your fears, your pain, your doubts, and choose to rise anyway. You are stronger than you think. You are capable of more than you realize. The pain you feel today is the power you will use tomorrow. Listen to me. The road less traveled is not for the faint of heart. It's for the warriors. Success does not come from comfort. It does not come from safety. It comes from pushing forward, even when you feel like giving up. It comes from facing adversity, embracing the pain, and using it to fuel your rise. When you are in the fire, you are being forged. Every obstacle, every challenge, every failure is a stepping stone that brings you closer to the person you are meant to be. It's easy to stay where it's safe. It's easy to avoid the struggle. But those who take the road less traveled, those who face the hardest battles, they are the ones who change the world. You cannot reach your greatest potential without first facing the darkness. The struggle is not your enemy, it is your ally. It is the test that will determine whether you are ready for the success you seek. Do not fear the struggle. Do not fear the pain. Use it. Let it shape you. Let it build you into someone who cannot be stopped. Let me remind you of a few people who walked the road less traveled and rose from the ashes. These are people who faced unimaginable adversity and came out stronger, more powerful than ever before. Oprah Winfrey faced a childhood filled with abuse and poverty. She was told she would never make it on television, but instead of letting that pain break her, she used it to fuel her rise. She didn't just survive, she thrived. Today, Oprah is one of the most influential women in the world. Steve Jobs was fired from the company he created. He faced rejection, failure, and doubt. But instead of quitting, he used that pain to build something even greater. He returned to Apple, and today, Apple is one of the most valuable companies in the world. J.K. Rowling was a single mother, living on welfare, battling depression. She was rejected by multiple publishers before Harry Potter was finally accepted. She didn't give up. She didn't let the darkness consume her. She used it as fuel to create something that has changed the world. These people didn't let their struggles define them. They used their pain as fuel to rise from the ashes and achieve greatness. And you can do the same. You're at a crossroads right now. You're in the middle of your own battle, and the road ahead seems uncertain. The pain is real. The struggle is real. But this is not the end of your story. The greatest warriors are forged in the hardest battles. The road less traveled is not easy, but it is the one that leads to the greatest rewards. So ask yourself, will you stay where it's safe, or will you rise and walk the path that will make you stronger? You have the power to rise. You have the strength to face this struggle. Don't wait for life to get easier. Make it easier by using the pain as your fuel. Every step forward is a step toward your greatness. Don't let fear, doubt, or pain stop you. Embrace it. Let it shape you. Let it make you into the person you were meant to be. Remember this: the road less traveled is the path to greatness. It is not for the faint-hearted. It is for the ones who refuse to quit, who rise from the ashes, who use the pain as fuel to keep moving forward. You are not defined by your struggles. You are defined by how you rise from them. Your greatest strength lies in your ability to rise, no matter how many times you fall. You will walk through fire. You will face darkness, but on the other side, you will be stronger, wiser, and more powerful than you've ever been. Now get up, walk the road less traveled, rise from the ashes. Your destiny is waiting for you.